In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides like a pro. One of the fastest ways to improve your workflow in Google Slides is by mastering keyboard shortcuts. Instead of constantly moving your mouse through menus, shortcuts let you work faster, stay focused, and build presentations more smoothly. If you use Google Slides often, even learning a few of these can save you a lot of time. Let's start with creating a new slide. The shortcut for that is Ctrl and M. Whenever you're building a presentation and need to add another slide quickly, just press Ctrl and M and a new slide will appear right away. This is much faster than clicking the plus icon manually, especially when you're working through a large deck. Next is duplicating an object with Ctrl and D. This is incredibly useful when you want to copy a text box, image, shape, or any other element on the slide while keeping the same style and placement. Just select the object first, then press Ctrl and D. It's a simple way to keep your design consistent and save time when repeating elements across a slide. Another powerful shortcut is copying formatting with Ctrl, Alt, and C. If you've already styled one piece of text or one object exactly the way you want, you can copy just the formatting without copying the actual content. Then, to apply that same style somewhere else, use Ctrl, Alt, and V to paste formatting. This is especially helpful for keeping fonts, colors, and design elements consistent throughout your presentation. When you're ready to preview your slides, use Ctrl and F5 to present. This launches presentation mode quickly, so you can see how your slides will look to an audience. It's a great habit to preview often while editing because it helps you catch layout issues, spacing problems, or anything that may not look right in full screen view. You can also control your view with zoom shortcuts. To zoom in, use Ctrl, Alt, and the plus key. To zoom out, use Ctrl, Alt, and the minus key. These shortcuts make it easier to work on fine details or quickly pull back to see the full slide layout. And of course, one of the most important shortcuts of all is undo, which is Ctrl and Z. If you make a mistake, delete something by accident, or just want to reverse your last action, this shortcut can save you instantly. The more you practice these shortcuts, the more natural they'll become. Over time, they can make your Google Slides